Luca. It says Luca. It's a present. It's a present from Sydney. Let's have a look here. Happy birthday. To darling Luca, wishing you a wonderful first birthday. Love and kisses. Kath, Mark, Max and Bella. Ah, isn't that nice? You can't touch your dirty hands. Can I have a go? This one? Put down this. Look! What's this? Really dirty hands. You can have a go. Rip the paper. Oh. Ta-da! Oh, some nursery rhymes. Thank you very much, Kath and Mark, Max and Bella. Let me take these. Clothes. Lovely. Cool boardies, cool shorts. Not boardies, very trendy. Oh, cool shirt. Luca! Luca! Cool shirt. Hey. Let me take this. Oh, what was that? The Brain Bone Rattling Collection. Oh, I think I remember this book actually. Yeah, I remember this book. Thank you very much. Thank you guys.